Good morning, all the students of SY BSc and SY BCS Computer Science. I again welcome you all for this second lecture on the topic a shadow. It is the first topic from Unit 1 of your syllabus. In the earlier lecture, we learned that Sambhu is a small boy who has lost his father. His father was a writer and an actor. He had acted in a film which is released in the town of Sambhu. It was the last film of his father. Sambhu is very eager to watch the film and somehow he manages to get permission from his mother to watch the movie. He is permitted to watch one show of the film daily in the theatre. He insists that his mother too come to watch the film. The mother fears to see Sambhu's father, who is dead, acting on the screen like a living person. She fears some kind of inhibition which prohibits her from watching the movie. For Sambhu, watching his father on the screen is a kind of meeting with the dead father. He daily watches the film in the theatre and enjoys the company of his father. When he returns home, he consistently and continuously keeps talking about his father and the film. He again insists that his mother too come to watch the movie. Every day at the end of the movie, Sambhu feels a kind of parting from his dead father. The world seems to be a poor place for him. For a small child like Sambhu, father is a source of support. But sadly, due to a stroke of fate, Sambhu had lost his father. By luck, he gets an opportunity to enjoy the company of his father by means of the film, which he daily enjoys. At home, Sambhu's mother is worried about his studies. Sambhu is obsessed with the film and finds it hard to leave the theatre when the film is over. For him, it is a daily meeting with the father and also a daily parting with the father. He feels depressed. The writer R.K. Narayan has portrayed this mentality, this mental state of Sambhu very beautifully. Sambhu longs to see the night show too, so that he can enjoy the company of his father for more time. But his mother does not allow this. In the meantime, he is continuously asking his mother to watch the movie. Due to his constant persuasion, the mother finally agrees to watch the last show of the film. Now, in the second part of the story, the writer has also given us a glimpse from the mind of Sambhu's mother. The focus shifts from Sambhu to the feelings of his mother. Now that Sambhu's mother has agreed to watch the film, however, it is not easy for her. She summons up courage to watch the movie. She is scared to see her dead husband on the screen doing all the daily activities. It is a kind of inhibition which she finds it very hard to overcome. In her mind, she feels it as a piece of cruelty inflicted upon her. In the course of the film, now both of them go for the last show of the film. And in the course of the film comes a scene in which the father is seen reading the newspaper. Mother remembers that it was the same scene on his last day. She loses a heartbeat. He was reading the newspaper and she had quarreled with him over it. And after some time, when she removed the newspaper from his face, he had fallen back. He had died. Now, this is very difficult for her to bear, and she is about to faint. The focus of the story again shifts back to Sambhu, who is eagerly watching the last show of his father's film, and comes a scene which Sambhu likes very much. In this scene, Kumari would trouble her father and receive a snubbing from him. But before that, a sob is heard from the ladies' section. It is his mother. She had fainted. Sambhu at this time is gripped by fear and feels that his mother is dead too. Somebody in the neighboring audience consoles him and they tell her that she had just fainted. Mother is carried in the passage and after a while she opens her eyes. Sambhu and his mother begin to go home when a dialogue from the film is heard. Sambhu bursts into tears because the condition of his mother and also because they were changing the film the next day. Thus, it is a very touching story of Sambhu and his mother too. Both of them are deeply affected and sad by the event of the death of Sambhu's father. While Sambhu's mother finds it hard to see her dead father on the screen, Sambhu enjoys the company of his father. Finally, when the mother agrees to come for the movie, and while watching the movie comes a scene which is similar to a scene that happened on the last day of the father's death. Sambhu's mother cannot bear the repetition of the scene and she faints. Finally, she is taken out in the lobby and Sambhu takes her home. The next day, they change the film and it is a final parting from the dead father for Sambhu also and his mother. Thank you.